precinct receiving a 66 unusual incident. Hudson River, stating a helicopter went into the water close to the Jersey side. One call in regards.
What's that?
The helicopter in the water, Hudson River, on the Jersey side. One call in regards. Now it's multiple calls coming in regards. Now we're receiving a 66 unusual incident coming over from Hudson River, Pier 26, Pier 40, in regards to a helicopter being down in the water.
Central, how many calls is that total?
It's going to be about five calls right now. So it's going to be Pier 26 receiving a helicopter in the water, confined to the one precinct, it's multiple calls, and it's stating Hudson River is on the Jersey side, so there's multiple different calls, different things being said in regards to this helicopter being down in the water. It's going to be in the river. No problem, I'll keep you advised. It's confirmed on the Jersey side that a helicopter is in the water at this time.
Alright, that copy, Central, thank you. Central, can you just let us know you got Marine units heading in that direction?
We got harbor units responding to that location. It's a confirmed helicopter in the water, upside down in the water at this time.
Alright, that copy, thank you, sir.
And it's advised that it's going to be on the Jersey side.
Confines of the first precinct, we have a 66 unconfirmed unusual incident. The helicopter that went into the water and the Hudson River. Confines of the first precinct, coming over as a 66, a helicopter crash at Pier 26. Receiving another call unconfirmed on a helicopter in the water by Pier 40. Have another job coming in on a 66 for a helicopter inside of the Hudson River, possibly on the Jersey side. Have another 66 coming over in the confines of the north for a helicopter in the water, vicinity of Harbor David on 12th Avenue, West 45 and West 46 on the cross. Confines of the 113, unconfirmed 59 explosion, Guyborough Boulevard and Frone Avenue.
At this time in the confines of the first precinct, we have a 66 unusual event at the Hudson River. States a helicopter just got into the water close to Jersey side. A helicopter's in the water at this time.
Alright, location. Central, do you know if they're requesting any resources?
10-5?
Central, do you know if they're requesting any resources on the New York side?
Unknown at this time, they just put it in. Waiting for additional info. I'll let you guys know.
Jose, you on the air?
I'm on the air.
Well, smart cars, start heading that way in case they need something.
Just be advised, we have multiple calls coming in at this time. It's coming over at near Pier 40 and near Pier 26 again for a helicopter that crashed into the Hudson at this time. Alright, 10-4, red direct.
Jose, do you have for somebody?
On the air, director. I'm having some small calls head down that direction. And so forth on the air. Commander, what's that location? Them start heading down to like Pier 40.
Between Pier 26 and Pier 40 on the West Side Highway.
You read Echo Forms, have them start heading southbound down to the West Side Highway, 23rd Street area. That's 4. Supervisor, did you all use copy? There's 4 small cars in the meantime. And have the supervisor accompany them, check and advise if we need any additional down there. That's the 10-4, copy.
Exo, who's that copy?
That's 4, Exo, simple. Middle up. Supervisor, Leroy.
Leroy, Exo, go.
Alright, that's
I'll get the 4 small cars in route. 10-4. Direction 7414 there, 7414. 7414, copy that transmission there. En route. West side.
Hi, Station Mid-South North for Harbor David also is coming over at 12th Avenue West 45 West 46. Say CBD on scene at this time in regards to that helicopter with 901.
Section Commander Moise on the air.
Go for Section Commander.
Hey, Section, this is Lieutenant Rivera. Are you en route down there, or is that cloak going to be the highest ranking down there for now?
I'm en route to the location also.
10-4. Once you evaluate, just advise if we need any additional resources. At the moment, we just have how many? 3?
10-5.
At the moment, how many small cars do we have en route to the location?
4 small cars en route down to 23rd. Supervisor Leroy is going to check West Side Highway from 34 up to 46 and advise of the condition.
10-4. Thank you, Section. Just advise if we need anything further.
10-4.
6736 Brooklyn tow pound.
Go for the tow pump.
Now bound this time.
Supervisor Leroy. Leroy, did you reach out to those units to have their route to that location?
10-4, telephone, 10-4.
Okay, and have the others stand close by in case we're going to need them.
City Water Avenue 4243 Century in there.
Yeah, put your message, okay?
Central, in regards to that car stop, Ocean Parkway, Church Avenue, show one under supervisor notified. That's time, please.
15-23 hours. Remember to have that prisoner authority before you place them in your RP. Make sure your back door safety locks are engaged within escape.
7-4, 1523. Thank you, Century, the best.
That's 11 as well. Yes, we saw Buffalo.
95 Sam, 238 Street, Narita Avenue, 2 line.
So 3 in the reason for.
Response to
Response to
98.
10-4.
Lieutenant.
Lieutenant.
Here's a federal response to have on Central Knowledge, please.
10-4. Sensitive to response to?
acknowledge.
Go on to your response 1. Proceed with message. To your response 1 you're raising.
Show the job at 96, 90X.
96, 90X, about 96 on the boy Charlie.
Yes, Boy Charlie.
10-4.
6, post 21.
11-6 close to 1.
Show me the 1 stop to TLS, everything under control.
Exact location at 170?
170 southbound platform, 4 line.
10-4.
11 Train Patrol 2.
11 XP2.
75 Mary, 161 at Kingsbridge on a 4.
161 at King, 10-4.
12 XP9.
11 XP9, proceed.
12 XP9.
12 XP9, proceed.
So can you show me doing Peter on 149, that's it?
149 on what line?
6.
Right, 10-4.
11.
So 5 unit raising, you coming in with static.
11.
12 XP11.
You want to leave my Sam? Can you show me how to marry from Hunts Point to 1.9 in Southern? Thank you.
Point to 1.9 in Southern, 10-4. You're welcome.
XP7.
XP7, proceed.
Thank you, 198.
10-4, 59. Sensitive PSV 1231. 1231 on the AM?
31 Central.
Still out?
Hello, Central. You go mark to 91. Show me doing another one at the same location as planned.
Park Chester, 10-4. Sensitive PSV 1219. You're welcome. 1219 on the AM? Sensitive PSV 1219. 1219 on the air. Sensitive PSV 1219. PSV 1219 on the air.
641 Central. We'll check out for them. I'll check them out.
10-4. Just have them check your Central, guys. Every 30 minutes, please. Your unit alarm goes off. Sensitive PSV 1216. 1216 on the air.
12 XP8.
12 XP8.
198, can you put me out on Sam 149 Southern on 6?
19 Southern, South 4.
PSV 1216.
South 16, are you guys still out?
You can mark it at 91, put me on the same location.
South 4 guys, every 30 minutes please, thank you. 3ST6. 3ST6. Where's my Thank you. Alright, you guys are stepping on each other's air guys, one at a time. 3XT6, thanks for Charlie and Carla. 10-4. South 4, 1219, you guys ready them?
1219 here.
Are you guys still out?
9198, show me another 75 Sam, same location, Starbucks, South 4.
South 4 guys, same thing, every 30 minutes. 1124, proceed.
Show me doing 75 Sam at 149 Grand Concourse.
What line? You want 2 and 5?
1 4.